sort of focused, nothing.
What was
What the f?
that? That sounded like a...
I feel like we're being shot at. Genuinely think we best like get down. What the hell?
I've recorded
Seriously, what was that?
that. It was sounded like somebody was like a bow and arrow or like a...
Jesus. There's the peacock.
That's just someone trying to get the peacock.
Never known out like
I'm
that.
never hit the
Peacock's wondering and all.
When it had 160.
It's just
Oh yeah.
I feel a bit vulnerable today. I think we best go around there.
There's no one there though.
Bird flying wouldn't make that noise, would it?
Potentially, I guess.
It was like someone like paching was like hitting off.
I was thinking that you would be able to hear people running away or something, like you've done it on purpose.
Mad that.
I wonder if there's anything on here that's going to...
Must have caught the sound.
Yeah, I definitely caught the sound.
Right, just do it again and I'll just duck down.